Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to review the book Home Fire by Kamila Shamsie. This book belongs to the genre of contemporary literary fiction and it was published in the year 2017. So, what makes this book special? This book is special because it is a contemporary reimagining of the tragedy of Sophocles' Antigone placed in the modern British society. Kamila Shamsie, with her lyrical prose, interweaves a tale full of love, loyalty, family drama, emotion, as well as politics. The novel dives deep into the lives of a Muslim British family, exploring their struggles and the profound impact of the choices they make in a world shadowed by prejudice and terrorism. The novel centers in the life of three siblings, Isma, Anika and Pervez. Isma takes up the maternal role and takes care of the two siblings, the twins, Anika and Pervez. She sacrifices her study in order to do so after the death of their parents. The novel begins with Isma traveling to the United States in order to pursue her interrupted studies. This journey pulls the family into a series of events that put the family into a whirlwind of political and emotional turmoil. Pervez, inspired by their jihadist father, joins ISIS. Their father died en route to Guantanamo. Pervez wanted to find the identity and a sense of belonging. He really wanted to understand his father, and that is the reason he joined ISIS. And this decision ultimately resulted in Pervez's demise. Anika, driven by the fierce love for her brother, tries to bring him home after his death, defying the laws and social norms. Their lives intersect with Yamun Lone, the son of the British Home Secretary Karamat Lone. Yamun's relationship with Anika adds a personal dimension into the political and cultural conflict that otherwise dominate the entire narrative. Karamat Lone's hardline stance on Muslim extremism and national security becomes a focal point in the unfolding tragedy. If we talk about the themes of this novel, one of the major themes is family and loyalty. Throughout the novel, we see the family loyalty is the dominant theme. We see the sacrifices made by Isma for her family. She gives up her studies and takes care of the younger siblings. We see Anika's fierce love for her brother, and she goes on to pursue the relationship with Yamun Lone, the son of the British Home Secretary, in order to bring the brother back home. And Pervez's love for his father is also there, and he wanted to understand his father's legacy that highlight the complexities and the depth of familial bond. Another theme is the theme of identity and belonging. The novel explores the struggles of British Muslims to find their place in a society which see them in a light of suspicion. Pervez's journey to join the ISIS is a misguided attempt to understand his father's legacy and to establish a connection with his dead father. This reflects the broader crisis many younger Muslims face. Another important theme is the theme of power. Karamat Lone represents the power in a political establishment, and his response to terrorism is often at the cost of individuals' freedom and family integrity. His policies and personal decisions significantly impact the lives of the protagonists, illustrating an intricate interplay between the personal and the political sphere. Another major theme is love and sacrifice. In the center of the book is the love between Anika and Pervez, especially Anika's love for her brother. On the other hand, we see that we see the relationship between Yaman and Anika. Their relationship is a poignant exploration of the love in the midst of conflict. We also see Yaman's struggle to understand the legacy of his father Karamat. And this shows the transformative power of love in this novel as well as the pain of loss. Kamila Shamsi's writing is both innovative and evocative. Her ability to weave the intricate narrative and deal with the sensitive topics is truly commendable. This novel is structured in 5 sections, each from the perspective of one of the main characters, and this type of writing lets the reader understand the various viewpoints of different characters and the intricate emotional details the characters face. This prose is rich with symbolism and imagery, and that enhances the novel's depth and emotional resonance. Homefire received widespread acclaim for its timely and powerful storytelling. It won the 2018 Women's Prize for Fiction, and it was also longlisted for the Men's Booker Prize. This is a fascinating read, and it will not take much time for you to finish the book. I would suggest that you can read the book and lose yourself in this gripping storytelling. You will feel the emotion of each character and you will be able to connect with them. If you want to get more book reviews as well as other literature related videos, you can keep an eye on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.